Well, some girls play with dolls, and I had a Fisher-Price post office little toy thing that I was writing out, and I used to write letters saying to "Dear Mr. Client" and signing off with "Yours sincerely," and I don't even know what age I was. I joined a small recruitment company and learned exactly where the tea and coffee was kept and worked my way up. I became top performer there and joined another large corporate organisation to set up their financial services and general insurance arm. I think at a point I felt the business was quite personal to me. I really enjoyed working with my clients. I wanted to listen and to probably do something else with the recruitment business model that kind of stood out from everybody else, that became a leader in our space. So thus 360 was born. 360 Search is a specialist recruitment and talent sourcing company. We have particular verticals and very strong suites in insurance, general insurance, life and pensions, asset management, compliance and accountancy. In its simplest form, I think somebody said, "You're going to be fine, you're neither stupid nor lazy." And it was just about hard work. And it was about building a brand, but also being plain speaking enough to tell the truth. And some of the circumstances and the instances, whenever you're dealing with something as large and as fundamental to somebody's life as changing job, it's really important that you get that right. So I think, working hard at it and being as honest as you possibly can has kind of stood the test of time with our brand. I think coming through a pandemic where there's a huge amount of uncertainty, our investors couldn't even ask us to plan what the next 6 months looked like. I think a conversation with Iconic was a load off anybody's mind, helped everybody sleep better because we could actually say we don't need an office for 15 people. We were able to downsize our office, maintain costs, have a much healthier conversation with our investors. In terms of having a hub and having a home, our smaller office in Iconic has worked really well for us. What I like most about the freedom of being self-employed and an entrepreneur, I think that there's a corporate responsibility to your team and to the brand and to the efficacy of what you're trying to do. I don't know if it comes as freedom. I probably have slightly more flexible working hours and I can take the odd class in the afternoon and maybe get my hair done. I'm Lynda Barnes, Director and Co-founder of 360 Search.